This is a brief overview of the Simplot Smartfarm Irrigation App. To begin, download the app from the App Store and input your user credentials. Once you log in, the app will update showing you your fields. If at any given point the data does not seem up to date, simply press the calendar button on the top or the bottom right and it will refresh the data. If the data still doesn't seem like it is being refreshed, simply log out and log back in again. This will do a hard update. When you log in, the first page you'll see is the forecast page. This page shows you the current conditions and going into the next week. We can see for field 1, it gives you today's date and the next few days. In the circle of the pictogram, you will see the required amount of irrigation to get to 100% field capacity, and below that you'll see the current field capacity. For field 1 sugar beets, on the 30th of May, it requires 0.81 inches of water as it is at 71% field capacity. By clicking on that field, it will open up more information about the upcoming forecast. As you scroll, you will see how the data changes throughout the week so you can maximize your irrigation. This data shows you different information regarding your pivot information, your growing degree day units, and the evapotranspiration rates. By going back to the forecast page, you will see there is a root button on the bottom right. By clicking that root button, you'll be able to open up whichever field you desire, in this case, field 2, Durham, and see the percent field capacity of each sensor throughout the soil profile. You will notice that the bottom 3 sensors in this example are not available. These sensors will become available in the next app update. On the top right-hand side, there are additional buttons full of data. By clicking on them, one can go see more data by changing the timeline or the 3 little dots and clicking different sensors to turn them on and off to view some of the data more specifically. By going back, we can go back to the main forecast page, which will then go into the decision page. On our decision page, you can see the various fields. It will show you information like days since it's been planted, how many days of stress, indicating how many days until the water is used up in the root zone, and information regarding the root zone. For example, it tells me that there's 0.35 inches of water until we hit the allowable depletion for this soil. It tells me there's 72% field capacity. The estimated root depth is 15.9 inches, and the required irrigation to get to 100% field capacity is 0.79. Again, you'll see the root zone button to view the roots of that field and look at the graph showing you more information to view. In the weather tab, you'll see the current weather information based on Clear Egg weather data or the closest weather station available. And you'll be able to go to the Schedule tab in which you can create and edit irrigation events. In this example, I'm going to change my look ahead to 7 days, where I can see that my original forecast has the soil moisture at 72%, 71, 71, 70, and slowly dropping to 67 over the next few days. Once I put in a value, for example, 0.5 inches of water, it informs me that I still require 0.34 inches of water to get to 100% field capacity as that ½ inch of water will place me around 88% field capacity. By going in and adding 0.3 inches to the next day, you can see how that data changes again. If instead I put another ½ inch of moisture or irrigation down, you will see that the application notifies me that I am irrigating above what I need. This tool is designed to help you get the most out of your irrigation. As there are many different tools within this app, if you have any questions, please reach out to a Simplot Grower Solutions representative for further assistance.